Stop saying, I understand, but I cannot speak. Today, we change that.
Breathe in. Count to 3.
Hi, my friends. Welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? Well, you are not alone. Many learners understand a lot. They watch movies, they follow podcasts, but they still cannot speak. Why? In this episode, I will talk about that, and I will give you 6 simple tips to help you start speaking more and better.
Now it's me. Wake up in a rush, but I'm centered.
As always, I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can use this podcast for shadowing. You can listen, repeat, and try to match my words and rhythm and my voice. Let's begin.
Scrolling through the mess, I don't enter.
Understanding English and speaking English are not the same thing. When you understand, you are passive. That means you sit, you listen, you read. Your brain is receiving English. You just need to know the meaning. But speaking is active. You need to do many things at the same time. You need to think of words. You need to organize ideas. You need to use the correct sounds. And you need to do it in real time. This is hard, even for advanced learners.
Coffee in my hand like a medal, hard on green.
Most learners do not practice speaking. They read grammar books. They do listening exercises. They watch movies. These are good things, but they don't help you speak unless you use your voice. Speaking is a skill, like cooking, swimming, or dancing. You only get better by doing it. I want to help you feel confident. So let me give you 6 simple tips to start using your voice every day. Tip number 1. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Many learners wait before they speak. They think, I will speak when my grammar's perfect. But the truth is, you don't need perfect grammar to speak. You only need to be clear. Can the other person understand you? If yes, your English is working. Listen to this. Yesterday I go to the park. Is it perfect? No. Do you understand? Yes. That is what matters. Making mistakes is a good thing. It means you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. So remember, fluent with mistakes is better than silent with grammar. Speak first, polish later. Tip number 2. Learn chunks, not words. Don't study one word at a time. Instead, learn chunks. Chunks are short phrases that people use every day. For example, instead of just busy, learn I'm a bit busy right now, or I've got a lot on my plate. When you learn chunks, You don't have to build sentences from zero. The phrase is already in your brain, ready to use. How do you find them? Listen to podcasts and movies. Pay attention to phrases people use again and again. Write them down, repeat them, use them. Tip number 3. Speak to yourself. Many learners say, "But Maury, I have no one to talk to." I understand, but you don't need a partner or a teacher. You can speak to yourself. It might sound strange, but it works very well. You can do it anytime. Describe what you are doing. I'm making coffee now. It's raining outside. Talk about your day. Today I feel tired. I have a meeting at 10. This trains your brain to find words faster. No stress, no pressure, no judging.
Up with the sun in my inbox.
Tip number 4. Use AI. AI means artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT or PI. AI never gets tired. It's always ready to talk, and it won't judge your mistakes. Start simple chat. Say, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we talk about movies?" The AI will respond. It's a safe place to practice. You can even ask it, "Please correct my grammar," or "Speak slowly with me." Tip number 5. The 4-3-2 technique. This is a powerful technique. First, choose a short story. Step 1. Speak about the story for 4 minutes. Speak slowly. Step 2. Speak about the same story for 3 minutes. Speak a little faster. Step 3. Speak one last time for 2 minutes. Speak smoothly. The more you tell the story, the more automatic your English becomes. You will sound stronger and more confident.
As in the mirror, no more hiding.
Tip number 6. One sentence, many ways. Take one simple sentence. For example, I went to the store. Now change it little by little. Add detail. I went to the store to buy bread. Change the time. I'm going to the store now. Change the person. My sister went to the store. This helps you think quickly. You are not memorizing, you are creating. This is real fluency.
Used to wait for someone's yes or maybe. Now I let those whispers pass.
In this episode, we talked about why speaking is hard and how to make it easier. Remember, speaking takes practice. Use your voice every day. Thank you for listening to this Slow English podcast. Keep learning English, keep speaking English, keep growing every day. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.